Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Codepen. So today in this video I will teach you that how you can create your own DALL-E platform. As you know, DALL-E is an AI platform where you can create your own AI art. For that you need some credits and those are very costly. And if you're doing using their API also, you need to pay them and those are also very costly. For that reason, if you're having some budget problem, this video will be your problem solver. As in this video we will use two image stylization model which has been provided by Google for free of cost. Everything will be free of cost. And this is a very instant project, so please subscribe to my channel and hit the like button. Before that, I want to request you that if you didn't check out my building a crypto mining using Python, go and check it out, because after watching that video you may create some passive income. Link is in the description. Before that, I want to introduce squirrel.co. It's a store for entrepreneurs. Like, you can get everything to grow your business, from SEO toolkit to social media marketing strategies, and everything you'll get over there. Squirrel.co provides you WordPress plugin also, so that you can use it in your website also. Now if you're doing a sign up using my link, you will get $15 free credits in your account, so that you can use them while doing any kind of purchase. And as for example, you are an affiliate marketer, now you have to know about all the social media marketing strategies. So for that reason, you can go and check it out, squirrel.co, using my link and get your $15 free credits. Link is in the description as well as the pinned comment. Now, for example, you have created all the marketing strategies or business also. Now you are finding problems in video creation. Then Pictoid.ai will be problem solver, as it has a tools like article to video, script to video, will automatically change your scripts to the videos using the AI powered. And this is a very instant platform. I personally use this to create my videos also. After that, AI creation, it will also give you some customizable video, customizable portals, so that you can customize the video to make it more customer engagement. So go and check it out. The link is in the description as well in the pinned comment. And if you are doing sign up or purchasing anything using my link in Pictoid.ai, you will get a nice discount in your first purchase. Not first purchase, also every purchase you make it at, and you can also enjoy its free version also. This video is this whole series is divided into three sections. In first section you'll get to know about HTML, then CSS, then JavaScript. So we'll do this project will be 100% free of cost. You don't need to buy any kind of API or using an API. We'll use two free models provided by Google for free of cost, which I'll show you in the JavaScript portion. So let's get started with HTML today. So let me show you some demos. So this is the dogs image, and this is the clip art, which is an initial art. So using this, combining them, a result has been came up. Now you can create a new generate new art. A new art is coming up from the server and automatically show you. Okay, so you can see a nice result over here. And of course, all these images that are coming up are all randomized and they're not downloaded in our local system. So we'll also show you that in JavaScript part. So let's get started. So here is my Visual Studio Code open, and I am having one folder called DALL-E, where I'll show you that nothing is prepared, not even a title tag also. Index.html, and here I have some files of the APIs and the image links. So if you mark, hit the enter. So this is a shortcut that how you can bring the whole HTML portion, that put the exclamation mark and hit the enter button. Copy. I'll just copy all the APIs, and all the link are in the description. Go and check it out. Sorry, DALL-E. Okay, everything is fine. Our title here came up. Now let's just start our project from the body tag. So for that reason, you need before starting on this project, I need to introduce the two models which are free of cost. So for the models, let's go to that. So this is the TensorFlow Hub provided by the Google Light model, image stylization. This is a transport model, and this is a prediction model. So these two models you will require in this project, and don't forget to check out this this Codepen project, because we'll use this loader as a preloader, you can say. So the link is in the description. Go and check it out. Okay, it's called div. Okay, fine. Now again one more div. So from the first div, I'll just put ID, name, style, transfer. Wrapper, again one more ID called style, content, img. Okay, fine. Everything is fine over here. Now I'll call an image tag, where you'll have a cross origin, will be our anonymous. Save it. Then we have an src tag, where we will call, and don't forget that you should not download any image in your programming portion. All the images must be online. So these are the two images that I am using. Those are online. So let me show you its preview. This image we're using. So if you want, then you can head over to Google and select any of the image. src. Because you'll, if you are creating a folder called img, then for downloading this image, then using in your programming, it will somehow show you some error. Okay. Then head over to span tag. Then have an ID called upload. Here we're just creating this upload button. Let me show you. Material, icons, and close your span tag over here, and name that as cloud _upload UTL-ID. Fine. sorry, saved. Okay, the image has been came and span tag and the material design has been came. So this will be the result of it in this video, and I'll teach you that this portion only, like on the front end only, not the designing and not the functioning portion. For the designing and the functioning portion, you need to watch this videos part 2 as well as part 3. Okay, fine. Now we'll open an h1 tag. There I will just put a symbol plus symbol. Let me clean my code. Okay, fine. Now you can put any color of this plus symbol over here. It's according to you that I will put it. Div. There I'll just open one id call style picker, and again div that will be your style img. id will be our style img. Fine. Okay, then again a class called wrapper. Fine. Then we'll head over to an img tag. Okay, then cross origin anonymous. Okay, then you need an src source tag. From the source I'll use this thing. You can go to Google and search for any of this thing, of course. And from the first, this is an initial image. Like when if you're reloading this page also, this image is continuously coming up. Once more, this image, because it is fixed from first. If you want, you can change it. And now if you're clicking the generate new art, it will automatically select one image from online, and it will show it to you. Okay, so that thing will create on JavaScript. And but you should make this thing initial image must be permanent. Then now comes our main portion, that where we will want our SVG version. So for that reason, you will need to only CV folder, and there will need this first thing. Copy it. Okay, fine. Now head over to Visual Studio Code and paste it. Okay. So this will create an CV over here. What's my page? Okay. Okay, fine. It has been key. So now everything is fine till that. Now you will need some more thing. For example, we need a button over here. So our div ends over here, and yeah, we need a button. The button will create generate new art. Generate new art. Okay, save it. Now here in button section we'll have an id. Let's put generate art button. Okay, fine. This will be your id. Now our another div ends over here. Fine. Now I'll just write one line each one tag. In that I'll just put the symbol equals to. Okay, the result portion. Now again head over to another. Let me clean my code. Okay, now another div tag. In that div we'll just write class wrapper. Fine. id will be our style canvas. Okay, where the result will be shown this portion. I'll just save it, and here I'll just call the canvas tag. Canvas tag. Fine. Now I'll just head over to my CV version second. So there will be one comment password 2 from the 2 portion. I'll just copy it. Fine. April. Below canvas came. Fine. Save it. Reload it. Another has also came up. generativeart equals to, then again. Okay. Everything is fine till now. Now you will need one more thing. CV version span. Now here you will add a span ID. Span. Here I'll just put ID of download, because user must download the picture. Why they are creating their AIart? Of course, for downloading. For that reason, class material icons. Material icons. Then cloud. Remove the download class downloads. Okay. Now here close our two div tags. Fine. Now we need an input over here. Input field. Here I'll just write id call input, then type equals to file, then accept image only images, and that's mandatory. Okay, so it will do what? It will only input the image folder, no the other folders, right? Save it. So after this everything is fine. Now in the later part you will see we'll design this in the name of style.css, and in the next part in the third part you'll get this JavaScript portion. So I'll just reload and let's check that how it's going on currently. Okay, no file chosen, everything is well. Okay, so meet you in the next portion. I hope you have enjoyed this video. If you enjoyed this video till now, hit the like button and subscribe to my channel.